Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the Excel workbook and the Word document you will use. Select the exact cell range or formatted table you want. Include headers when they clarify meaning. Once selected, press Ctrl+C or right-click Copy. Decide now whether you need a static paste, a live link, or an embedded workbook because that choice affects updates and file size. Make sure to note the destination spot in Word so pasting keeps layout predictable. You now paste into Word using the method that matches your goal. If you need a static table, use Paste Special right arrow HTML or keep source formatting. For live syncing, choose Paste Link as an Excel worksheet object so changes in Excel propagate to Word. For visual fidelity, paste as picture or PDF when layout must not shift. Once inserted, resize the object, adjust table cell padding, and correct column widths so text wraps and pages flow naturally in Word. You finish by choosing whether to keep a link or embed the table. Embedding avoids broken links when you share the Word file. Linking keeps data alive. After pasting, right-click the object to update links or edit the source data. Save both files. If layout or formatting breaks, try repasting with a different paste special format or paste as a picture to lock layout. One key troubleshooting tip: if links fail, relink or embed the data to prevent missing content when moving files.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.